Welcome to episode 1 of the Blue Collar Supercar. Just got new tires installed. OEM tires for this car, not very blue collar priced. $1,500 for a set. Eagle F1 Supercars. I got my tires on eBay. $199 for the set up front, $218 for the set in the back, $100 installed. So about $500 for new tires installed. There's a compromise though. There's a catch. So the front tires, I went with the stock size. The BF Goodriches that were on this car were matching. This is not matching, but the BF Goodriches on the front were 275 40 17s. I went with stock size. These are Federal 595s. Speed rating W. That's a good for 186. So back to stock size, 265 40 17. Here's where I saved a lot of money. The back tires. These are Lionhart LH503 tires. They're rated for 168 miles per hour. Speed rating's a W. I believe the front's a Y. 186. This is a W. 168. Top speed on this car. 171. So good enough. Traction is rated at an A. The fronts are actually rated at an AA. I went 285 35 18s. Stock is 295 35 18s, so slightly narrower and a slightly shorter. I'll do a separate review for these tires for people with performance cars who are interested in the Lionhart tires because they're so affordable. I did a lot of 0 to 60 runs. I'll do a video about these tires separately and share my 0 to 60 runs. I did a few runs so you could time them and see how bad or good I did. But right now, I'm impressed. I'll share a 0 to 100 on this video, but I'm really impressed for what these are. They stick pretty good for what they are. For this cheap of a price, the BF Goodriches that came with this car, they lasted 10,000 miles. The back tires lasted not even 10,000 miles. The front looked brand new, but the tires were 6.5 years old, maybe even older, so I just changed them out. These tires, I'm pretty sure they're going to be good for 5 or 6 years. These tires, I put 1,000 to 3,000 miles a year on this car, so these tires should last 3 years. And if they last 3 years, that's fine with me. The cool thing about the C5 Z06 is that you do have the option of getting away with the $500 set of tires installed. I like the C6 Z06 a lot. It's one of my dream cars. They've stabilized at about 40 grand. The C5 Z06 are anywhere from 15 to 30 depending on the miles. C5Z 40 and up, 35 if you find a 100,000 mile example. But the thing with the C6 Z06, they got 325, I believe 20 or 325, I want to say 35 20s on the back. So 325 series tires on the back. Cheapest you're getting away with is $500 for a set in the back. And then if you go with the stock tires, Eagle F1s, it's $500 each, $400 to $500 each, like they are on this car. So this car is economy car priced, and you could get away with economy car price tires too. So on my A-Barth, I did a 4/10 of a mile run. From 55 I accelerated 4/10 of a mile and did 101. I did the same test on this car and hit about 135. I'll share that at the end of this video and the 0 to 100 run. So I'm having fun with this car again. It's nice to have new tires. It was really sketchy with the bald tires. Now it's fun. So there you go. it's only fitting that episode 1 is sharing economy car price tires. These tires are so affordable, it doesn't even make me cringe to do this.